Getting excited for the new shoots that are about to come out. As you can see, there is a tiny red patch. I just do not know if this is a type of variegation, but whatever it is, this really excites me. Ayan, makikita nyo naman, diba, na for those who wished us luck about our silver sword, then here it is, guys. Meron na siyang bagong dahon na papalabas, which is really a good sign of recovery.
So guys, ito na naman yung panibagong vlog natin at si Kuya Mel na naman yung videographer sa PLANTZILLA. Ayun, tumakbo. Magre-record naman tayo at saka mag-propagate.
Hey guys! Welcome back to another PLANTZILLA video, and for today's vlog is another total voiceover since I'm not yet at home, and we will be propagating our Philodendron BIRKIN. In one of our previous videos, we already propagated a Philodendron BIRKIN, and we will be getting a shoot from the same mother plant where we got our top cut. Knowing how sensitive it is, yung top cut talaga namin, guys, instead of having a lot of leaves, while nag-a-adjust and nagre-recover siya, they eventually lose a lot of its leaves, guys. Pero, nag-recover na siya ngayon kasi meron ng bagong dahon. Tapos, ito naman is the shoot that we will be propagating. This one, guys, is another pot of BIRKIN, kaedad niya. But I don't want this one to be propagated kasi nag-e-enjoy ako sa itsura niya na malaki na, lumalaki po yung dahon niya and super lush. So I really love how it looks like. I hope that you are interested in the second propagation, and if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button, tap the bell icon beside it, so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. So guys, there is really something that excites me about this BIRKIN. Aside from the fact na lumalaki po yung mga bagong dahon niya compared to the old ones, meron po siyang maliit na patch. As you can see, para siyang red na patch. I'm not even sure if this is a variegation, but whatever it is, I do hope that this is for good. Ayan, makikita nyo naman, diba? Super liit lang, katulad nung mga nasa red moon, apart from those cataphyls na meron talagang konting red. If you have something like that, please do give us an explanation about what is that. Yung maliit na part dito is the mother plant, pero itong malaking katabi niya is the shoot na. I have been very open about the fact na nawawala yung variegation niya ever since nag-a-update ako, unlike dito sa top cut niya. Ayan, medyo napunit lang to, guys. If you remember or if you have watched that video, merong insect na pinunit talaga siya para lukutin kasi gusto niyang doon tumira sa loob. So napakita ko yan in one of our previous videos. Since we will be propagating, we have prepared the potting media that we will be using. So this is a mixture of decomposed and carbonized rice hulls, plus merong konting coco coir. So ito, gagamitin natin siya and imimix natin together with the acacia leaves. So we have prepared acacia leaves here, guys. Not fully decomposed, but these are dried acacia leaves. Not really sure if you can have an alternative for this, pero meron kaming cocoa cubes. Ayan, a mixture of them both. We have prepared them earlier, aside from the recycled pot that we will be using, and of course, we have the fiber and the cinnamon powder ready. Since we have all prepared, then let's get right into it. You know, guys, knowing how sensitive Philodendron BIRKIN is, ayan, sinaslice na muna namin yung cocoa cubes. Kasi yung cocoa cubes na malalaki, guys, nagsustore talaga sila ng sobrang daming tubig. So, we chose to have them chopped as little as this para mas madali ding makakakapit yung roots niya. Kasi maliliit pa talaga yung roots ng BIRKIN na kukunin namin, guys, although enough na for it to survive. So guys, as tiny as this, enough na po to. Kasi proven na po yan nung nakuha namin yung billeting na newly propagated talaga. Ganito kaliliit yung mga cocoa cubes na gamit guys. Parang chips na, almost chips na. And then, dun kumapit yung mga tiny roots niya while nagre-recover. So we will mix it with what I have showed you earlier, yung mixture ng decomposed and carbonized rice hulls plus cocoa coir. We just have to mix them all together and this will be perfect for the propagation that we will be doing today. So magugustuhan talaga ito ng BIRKIN guys, and including the mother plant, we will change the potting media that we will use as well. Once nababasa to, automatically magdi-drain talaga yung water sa bottom ng pot. And we have to make sure as well that the holes are ready guys. Hindi yung hindi pa butas. Ito kasi nagamit na tong pot na to. So butas na talaga yung pinaka-bottom niya. Maglalagay lang tayo ng coconut fiber. Syempre dahil merong pino na parts yung gamit natin na potting media. Aside from the fact na dinidrain niya yung excess water, hindi din diretso lalabas yung mga pinong parts ng potting media na gagamitin natin for our BIRKIN. Because meron tayong pangharang na mga coconut fiber. Para po sa amin, yung coconut fiber, sobrang laki po ng help every time na nagtatanim kami and nagre-repot. Since ready na yung potting media natin and of course our pot, ayan, i-uproot na natin. We have to uproot the entire BIRKIN guys. So we will be able to see kung saan natin siya ikakat. Although klaro naman kung saan yung shoot and kung saan yung mother plant, it would be best to repot it since mag-change na din tayo ng potting media na gagamitin even for the mother plant. So eto yung shoot guys, makikita natin yung mga white roots or yung mga pale na roots, they are the new roots. They will help our new shoot recover. So I believe the number of roots are good enough. As you can see guys, madami na po siyang dahon ngayon and lumabas na yung malalaking dahon niya from that propagation that we did. Pero I cannot assure you na magsasurvive lahat ng dahon. Sobrang sensitive po ng BIRKIN and iilan lang po yung dahon na maiiwan while nagre-recover siya. It's now time to remove the shoot from the mother plant. So, konting dahon lang yung maiiwan sa mother plant natin, guys. I don't mind as long as madami siyang roots and mabubuhay siya. So, it does not matter kahit makalbo pa siya as long as makaka-recover. So, ito yung roots ng mother plant, guys, having just 2 lonely leaves. And ito naman, konti lang yung roots ng shoot natin, pero madami siyang dahon, guys. So, ito, lilinisin lang natin ng konti ang shoot before we plant it. And of course, patutuyin po natin yung cut niya. We are using cotton in wiping it. So, medyo patutuyin lang natin ng konti bago tayo maglalagay ng cinnamon powder and before we start planting it. Here's our cinnamon powder na hindi maubos-ubos. And if you have tried propagating your own Philodendron BIRKIN, guys, you may comment that down below. How long did you exactly wait for you to see the recovery, the complete recovery, guys? Kasi ako hindi ko na talaga maalala yung time frame kung kailan siya nag-recover. Basta masaya lang ako na fully recovered na siya kasi nakakakita na ako na meron na siyang bagong dahon. Yung pagkakaroon talaga ng bagong dahon, for me, is a good sign na magre-recover na siya. Apart from the fact na lumalabas na yung mga aerial roots niya, makakakita ka na meron nang nagpo-pop out dun sa topsoil. Ayun talaga, super nakaka-happy po na nakikitang ganon. And now we are almost done with the shoot. You may share your stories down below naman if nakapag-propagate na kayo, what happened to your propagated ones, and kung naging successful ba yung propagation niyo. So this is how our newly propagated shoot looks like. We really had to wait for the newest leaf to unfurl before we decided to cut it. Kasi guys, malaki yung chance na hindi mag-survive yung pinakabagong dahon niya kapag ginalaw mo siya or kapag nakat mo siya while papa-open pa lang. So might as well wait for the right time na mag-unfurl na talaga. And now we are moving on to the mother plant. I so love that madami siyang roots, guys. So, this has a bigger chance of survival. Kasi nga, madami naman siyang roots. So, marami yung makakatulong sa kanya para makapag-recover. So, eto siya. Pero, sa ngayon, dalawa lang yung leaves na naiwan sa kanya. So, it's fine as long as madaming roots. Goods na tayo doon. And anyway, after cleaning it up, this is so surprising. Sobrang dami pala talaga ng mga babies na papalabas pa sa kanya. Ayun, makikita nyo na merong mga maliliit na kulay pink or something pale na nasa body niya, guys. Kasi meron pala siyang shoots that are about to come out. So it's really good na kinuha natin yung shoot niya ngayon na medyo malaki-laki na. That will give way para makatubo itong mga shoot na to na nasa ilalim. So, paunahan na lang kung sino yung unang magkakaroon ng chance na tumubo at lumaki. They look like grains of rice, guys, na nakadikit talaga dito sa body. 1, 2, nasan kaya yung pang 3, and then meron pang 4 dito. Pero parang nasa taas, 4, and then merong isa dito sa likod, which is the 5th one. So, meron tayong 5 that are about to come out. So, sino kayang mauuna dito? So, we really had to be careful kasi medyo lumabas na sila, guys. So, kapag nasagi natin, baka matanggal. So, ayan, we had to wipe it with a cotton and then lagyan natin ng cinnamon powder. Pangalawang cut na niya to, and I'm just super happy na super strong ng mother plant na to. Knowing na sensitive ang BIRKIN, and we have heard a lot of stories about propagating Philodendron BIRKIN na hindi nag-survive, we are so happy to share you na nag-survive yung amin. And eto, pangalawang cut na siya, and we do hope and pray that it's gonna survive as well. No matter how long it will take, as long as makaka-survive siya, that will be more than enough to be thankful for. So, sobrang saya namin dito na bawing-bawi yung namatayan kami ng BIRKIN before. So guys, we are almost done with our propagation, and of course, repotting and changing the potting media of our BIRKIN. So I'll just show you a different perspective. So this is it. So I'll get to see you when we get right into the montage. So you guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for making it till the end of this video. It has been Maria, the voice of PLANTZILLA BHL. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. Tap nyo na din yung bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Feel free to comment down below what are the type of videos that you'd love to see in this channel. If you have the heart for greenery, then you found the perfect place for you. This has been PLANTZILLA. Bye!